Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be discussing how to solve maps in listening. So I had scored band 9 in both my listening test, academic as well as general, and I am going to share some useful tips with all of you so that you can also achieve the same band scores in your exam and not fear about any type of questions. So I have often seen students saying that they always get confused when they get a map in section 2 and they are not able to figure out how to do. So let's begin. So the first step is to read the instructions carefully. You need to read the instruction to make sure if you need to write letters or words. Also, if you need to write words, you need to read clearly if they are mentioning not more than 2 words or no more than 3 words. So make sure you always check that. The next thing to do is to look at the map very carefully and identify what is already labeled. So whenever you are given a map question, there are things that are already labeled on your map, like for example some roads or maybe some kind of structures or buildings like office room, boardroom, stuff like that. So make sure that you are laying stress on whatever is labeled already on the map. Also, you need to be familiar with the directions, right? North, south, east, west, northeast corner, southeast corner. So you should be familiar with all of these directions. And also if they are saying far down to the left or adjacent to this room, so you should be familiar with these kind of vocabulary because these are commonly used in all of the listening questions. Alright, so once you have done that, the next step is to listen to the first part of the talk very carefully because that will serve as a reference point. Okay, so as soon as the talk is starting, they will usually tell where they are starting from. Okay, so you need to identify that portion on the map very quickly because based on that, they will be giving directions and you need to follow that all along during the recording. So after you have heard the talk, the next thing is please attempt the question. So whatever you think the answer is, please do write something. Don't leave any gap in that, okay? Because there is no negative marking on IELTS, right? So please do attempt the question. The next step is answers are always in sequence. So answers are always in sequence and they move progressively forward. If you hear the answer for question number 1, or if you hear that word in the recording, the next question, which is question number 2, will always be after that only. You will hear it in the recording after the question number 1 has been told. So just in case if you have missed question number 1, just move on to the next question because the answers will be moving forward. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.